guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to WOWParts Facebook Live. Today we're going to show you our new products. These cooling fans. Okay, let's look at this fan first. Look at the design. It's nice. Okay, and here's the carrying handles, which is easy to grab. On the side is the on and off button and the button to change the mode, and here is the charging port. Okay, this fan is not just a fan. Let me show you. Okay. I'm going to fill some words in. Okay, turn it on. You see that? The mist is coming out. That's interesting, right? Yeah, this fan is also could be a humidifier. It could cool you down in a hot and dry area in a second. Alright. So this fan have 3 modes actually. This is the fan and mints. Okay. This is the fan itself. And this is the mist. Okay, so we also have other different colors, blue and green. Okay, I'm going to show you the second fan we have here. Okay, look at this fan. Look at the design. It's cute and fashionable. And the differences about this fan is, you see here, it's windless design, which is safer for a child to use. And the buttons here is to turn it on, and to change the fan level, there's 3 levels. Alright, so this fan is pretty lightweight. It's easy to take it everywhere. Okay, and this fan also comes with a cradle. Okay, so you can put it on the flat surface without holding it on your hand. Okay, that's nice. Alright, and this fan we also have different colors, white and green. You can check it out down below. Alright, this is the new product we have today. Hopefully you like it. And if you're interested, please click the link down below to get more information. See you guys next Friday. Bye!